welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious oatmeal chocolate chip cookie made at home with lots of love that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This oatmeal and chocolate chip cookie, these are my ingredients. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract or vanilla paste, whatever you have at home, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 1 room temperature egg, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of oatmeal, and of course, 1 cup of brown sugar. This is everything we need to prepare this delicious and amazing oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. So let's get started. Let's get ready and make this amazing oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. I'm adding my oatmeal. And now I am ready to add my brown sugar. Yes, brown sugar. Let's incorporate it really good. The brown sugar has molasses and really gives this a delicious flavor. And now, of course, I am going to sift the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, the pinch of salt, and of course, the cinnamon. I am going to sift it very good. This part is very important. You don't want any lumps of the all-purpose flour. And now, of course, when you add your dry ingredients, you're going to mix a little bit, incorporate everything really good. You really want to incorporate the sugar, all the oats, and the all-purpose flour. Once this is incorporated, make sure there's no lumps of the brown sugar. And now we are ready. I am ready to add 1 whole egg into this mixture. I am going to add the vanilla paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have at home. We're going to add 1 teaspoon and we're going to incorporate. Just incorporate it just enough where you don't see the egg incorporated just a little bit. Once this is done, you're ready to add your butter. Remember, unsalted butter. My butter is at room temperature, but I want it nice and liquidy, so I'm just going to take it to the microwave for just a couple seconds. Once this is done, I'm going to incorporate it really good into the dry ingredients, making sure that everything nice incorporated. Let me tell you, this cookie comes out so delicious, really crispy from the bottom and nice and tender and fluffy from the inside. Your best tools are your hands. And here I am going to start incorporating all the dry ingredients, making sure that my bowl is nice and clean. There's no dry ingredients on the bottom or on the sides. Once everything is nice and incorporated, I am ready to start adding my chocolate chips. Look at this. Now, this is the time to add your chocolate chips. Remember, add them towards the end so that your chocolate chips don't break apart and they don't look awful. And here, I'm just want to incorporate really good, making sure that all those little pieces of chocolate incorporate into the dough. And this really doesn't take too long, but let me tell you, this cookie, oh my God, it's so delicious. The pinch or the teaspoon of the cinnamon really gives this cookie a delicious and amazing flavor. Well, once it's nice and incorporated, I'm going to go back with my wooden spoon and I'm going to start making my little circles for the cookies. I am making the cookies in medium size. With this mixture, you're going to be able to get about 20 cookies. Remember, medium size. If you make them smaller, if you make them bigger, well, it all depends how many cookies you're going to get. But if you make them medium, try to have all the cookies almost the same size so that they cook at the same time. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven for just 15 minutes. No more, no less. 15 minutes and they're going to be perfect to enjoy with a coffee, with a cold glass of milk. You decide. Of course, the mixture is going to stick a little bit to your palms, but that's okay. And here I want to show you, this is my first batch and my oven is nice and hot. So I'm going to take it to the oven and I'll show you how they come out. After the 15 minutes, look how beautiful they came out. Of course, I'm not going to leave them in this baking dish. I'm going to transfer them to a rack so they start cooling down. Look at this. Look how beautiful these cookies look. Very simple ingredients, ingredients that you might already have at home. Remember that this part is very important to take them off your baking dish because they'll continue cooking from the bottom. So you just want to remove them, leave them here for just a couple minutes until you are ready to enjoy. But I want to show you how they look from the inside. Yes, these cookies really come out delicious. And now, of course, I'm going to leave them here for just a little bit, just a couple minutes to come to room temperature. I'm going to continue baking the rest of these amazing oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. And now I want to show you how they look from the inside. Look at this. This is my first batch, but I can't wait to enjoy. I can't wait to taste it. And let me show you. Look how beautiful this looks from the inside. Really moist, really delicious and soft from the inside and gooey. I am ready to enjoy. If you got to this part of the video, you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Of course, I want to enjoy this amazing oatmeal chocolate chip cookie with a hot and delicious homemade coffee. Yes, so I am going to prepare myself my delicious instant coffee, and of course with the vanilla cream right on the top of this. Let me tell you, make it, enjoy it with your beautiful family. You're really going to love these amazing oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I am ready for the presentation, so I'll see you in just a little bit. I am completely done with these amazing oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. Of course, always when you bake at home, everything comes out amazing. Well, this is the one that I cracked open. Let me tell you, the flavor is just amazing. Excuse me. Delicious, but not sugary. And that's the most important. And of course, enjoying it with amazing coffee. Oh my God. Oatmeal chocolate chip cookie came out so delicious. Just amazing to finish your day. To start or finish your day. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing oatmeal cookies with chocolate chip. Just came out perfect. See you soon. Bye-bye.